Telegram downloaded files not showing on Android. Hi everyone, welcome back to our channel. This is Rose from Create Login and Delete, and today we will learn on how to fix Telegram downloaded file not showing on Android. Without further ado, let's begin. First, navigate to the settings on your Android device, scroll down and go to Apps. Select App Management and wait for the search bar to load and tap on it and type in Telegram. Open the app info section. Choose the permissions option and make sure all the permissions are allowed. If not, you can choose particular permission and tap on allow. Similarly, you can allow all the app permission following this method. And once you have done this method, you need to check whether your issue resolved or not. If not, you can simply clear the cache and storage. On this app info page, choose the storage uses and tap clear cache. You can even tap on manage this page and manage all your space. And now, the third method you can easily do is simply reinstall Telegram. Tap on uninstall button and select OK to confirm, and from Google Play Store you can easily reinstall the app. Check whether your issue resolved. If not, you can locate the downloaded files on your files manager, open it. Navigate to the internal storage at bottom left corner of your screen. Choose Android, select Media, and now open org.telegram.messenger. And now you simply need to find your downloaded files inside the Telegram folder. So, by following all this step, you can simply fix the issues of Telegram downloaded files not showing on Android. I hope this guide worked, and if you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.